Imagine if your laptop could see the world and instantly tell you what it's looking at. Today on Naga Automates, we are building an AI using Python and Gemini. Welcome to Naga Automates. First, install required libraries. Let's code. Import Gemini. This is how we connect to Gemini. Import CV2 for camera access. Import time just in case we need delay handling. Import Willow to handle images. I will add it at the end. Now I initialize the camera using opencv. 0 means default webcam. If you have multiple cameras or IP cam, you can change this index. I print a message saying AI is active. Now we start an infinite loop. We continuously read frames from the camera. If the frame is not captured properly, we break. Then I display the live camera feed using cv2.imso. Now here is the interesting part. If I press yes on the keyboard, we capture the current frame and save it temporarily as a snapshot.jpg. Then we open that image using Pillow. And now we send it to Gemini using client.modals.generate_content. I am using the model Gemini 2.5 Plus and I am giving two inputs, a prompt and the actual image file. Gemini analyzes the image and responds with a description. Then we print AI says and the response text. If anything goes wrong, the exception block catches the error. And if I press Q, the camera stops and windows close properly. Save it. Let's test it. Boom! It describes the model and the screen content perfectly. Imagine extending this into a security system, smart assistant or blind assist tool. If you want a more advanced version, continuous live analysis, comment part 2. In part 2, we can live analysis.